Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add auto serial number formula in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that auto serial number in formula. Now select from the any row option. Now for select. Now keyboard press from the equal option. Now press from the sum from type. Then press from the first bracket, then select from the above row. Now for comma, then press from the one, then close the first bracket, then press from the enter. Now mark the others row. That's it. Then I show add serial number formula in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.